In front of me is Nubia RedMagic 10A, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Begin by opening Devices Settings and tapping on Sound and Vibration right away. Then click Ring at the top left corner and pick one of those options. Ring only, vibrate when ringing, or vibrate then ring. You can also mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations by hitting vibrate right next to ring. Whatever you decided when you finished, scroll down, click on incoming call vibration, and decide if you wish to use one of those patterns, or synchronize your vibration with your ringtone by clicking on this option at the top. Then go back, scroll all the way down and hit more sound settings to access haptic feedback. Now use this switcher next to haptic feedback to enable or disable it for taps, keyboard and more. If you decided to enable it, you can adjust intensity thanks to this slider. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!